Well, the Haryana election results have thrown a very interesting surprise here. Surprise to everybody but the sitting Chief Minister of Haryana, because Naib Singh Saini began the morning at a time when the numbers were coming in, when the exit polls had predicted a Congress win, saying, wait. Just wait and watch. Slowly, we saw him retaining his winning this constituency in Ladwa, which was not the constituency of his first choice. He won that, and then he went on to win the state. A surprise win because it's a third-term win for the BJP. But then, under Prime Minister Modi, I think one should stop being surprised at third-time comebacks. Naib Singh Saini is all set probably to be the Chief Minister again of the state. A little bit about him: he began his career as a computer operator in the BJP state office. There, he came under the eye of Manohar Lal Khattar, the former CM, who handpicked him. He was a RSS worker, but at the end of the day, when the BJP wanted a regime change to take care of the anti-incumbency in Haryana, it was Khattar who handpicked Naib Singh Saini, put him at his job. So just 2.5 months in office, but Naib Singh Saini played all the right optics. He belongs to the backward caste, and here the BJP strategy really worked, because Naib Singh Saini, backward caste, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, OBC, they focused on the non-Jat vote. They focused on the Dalits and the backward. The Jat vote was divided between the Congress, INLD, JJP, etc. The BJP focused on the other vote. They announced a lot of schemes for the backward caste. Saini himself reached out, held cabinet meetings, was very accessible, went and met the public, and made sure that the BJP's work on ground actually reached the voters. Two other people who get the credit for this win are Manohar Lal Khattar himself and Amit Shah. The duo worked in tandem, made sure they had the strategy. In ticket selection, Manohar Lal Khattar played a key role. He even fielded a lot of independents, Jats, who would take on the Congress and divide the Congress's Jat vote. That strategy seems to have worked also on ground. It was a coherent, comprehensive campaign with one CM face and everybody else working behind the scenes. Prime Minister Modi, of course, Modi's schemes, he came in at the end. But the campaign largely was one fought on local issues by the BJP, though the Congress tried to nationalize it by bringing in Agniveer and other schemes of the government. But the BJP on ground in Haryana, Khattar, Saini and Amit Shah, backed by Amit Shah, remained focused on the local. And well, they seem to have won. So the win, one should also talk about role of Manohar Lal Khattar and what this win means, because this also comes at a time the BJP is looking for a new chief. Now, it's no secret that Manohar Lal Khattar is the choice of both Amit Shah and Prime Minister Modi. But soon after the Lok Sabha, well, it is a win, but the way the BJP portrays it, or the RSS was hammering, saying that they didn't get an outright majority, and there were questions on Prime Minister Modi's leadership. I think the Haryana win will actually rest all those questions and also re-establish, if there was ever such a need, Prime Minister Modi's supremacy back in the party. And now I think it is clear the first national impact of Haryana would be on the BJP chief presidentship. Modi and Amit Shah will get their choice, and that choice is clearly Manohar Lal Khattar. I think this also paves the way for Manohar Lal Khattar's elevation as the next BJP chief. You heard it here first. The RSS now, I don't think, we were told they were planning to promote a Modi Betanwa, but now I don't think that is going to happen. The impact of the Haryana win on the Congress is also to be discussed, because if you see, Congress hasn't done well here or even in Jammu, where it is supposed to take on the BJP one-on-one. It was a national conference really that won Srinagar. So the impact on Congress as a leader of the India Alliance, or impact of Rahul Gandhi's leadership, will also now come up again, but then that is for another day.